Hi, we are ELa and PHIlipp. We already traveled all the way from Colombia to Argentina with our 2 motorcycles, which we bought in Medellin. On our journey we have survived a -10-degree night in our tent in the Bolivian Andes, managed to escape a desert with a broken motorcycle and 1 liter of water left, pulled our motorcycles for 180 kilometers, crossed many rivers to get to our destination, and interacted with locals to fix tires, make friends and learn about their lives. Our plan is to visit all countries of South America and therefore drive through the Amazonas in Brazil. The question is, will we make it? So today is a special day. It's my birthday, turning 32 today. And after we had some nice hotel breakfast here, we hope that the rain will stop. I don't know, back there the whole street is underwater. ELa was sick now 3 weeks, and during that time here everything was dry from Georgetown to Lethem. But now we have a small rainy season again here. So the next week it will rain every day. This makes the road from Georgetown to Lethem also interesting, very interesting again. Today's goal is travel a little further south of Georgetown. There's a camping, Shane's Camping. 2 overlanders already recommended us this spot. I think it is paved until there. So we drive maybe 4 to 5 hours, probably with a lot of rain. Let's hope we don't get too wet, because this is a campground, so when we are wet and then we need to pitch the tent, it's tough.
Yeah.
A lot of work. Okay. Amigo, nos vemos. So apparently we are here at the highest wooden building on the Northern Hemisphere, which is this church here. This church in Georgetown. We just wanted to pass by here when we are in Georgetown. But not really that spectacular.
It's like I can't breathe, feeling I'm not here within my face. Everything that we could never be, gotta set you free.
So this is the house pig. Hello. Today we want to go further to Lethem. We are a little bit south of Georgetown, maybe 50 kilometers. But now it started to rain heavily, and we have the so-called white rain. So when there are no clouds visible, this is called white rain. And the locals say then it takes quite a few hours until it stops. So we will start to ride on the track when the rain stops. Let's see when this will be. First, some breakfast.
The rain is less now, so we are ready to hit the road.
Yeah, and we have now 100 kilometers of paved road, and after that,
Famous dirt road.
famous dirt road, yeah. Really excited. On the internet and WhatsApp groups, people go crazy with videos. Today is a lot of rain, so maybe it will be exactly like that.
Hopefully not,
yeah.
because then we are more swimming than riding.
That would be bad. But let's see how it will be. we made it to Linden. This is one of the gas stations. So we just filled up the motorcycles and should be able to make it all the way to Brazil with that. But on the way there's also the 58-mile gas station where you can fill up for maybe 20% more or 20% higher price. So yeah, we're gonna eat some lunch here and then continue. So after exactly 55 kilometers from the gas station in Linden, we are now at the start of the dirt road. Back here is everything paved and it's really good road until here where it starts now. Let's see how the road conditions are. It rained a lot today, so yeah, we are excited.
If we could live forever, how long would you be mine? 'Cause I could do forever. If we
So we have now the full experience. The rain started and the road is getting worse.
How long would you be mine? 'Cause I could do forever. If we only had the time. If we only had the
So this is how it looks when we do a break. Like there are a few tires to relax. And we're gonna snack the stuff which we were gifted to like 1 hour earlier.
'Cause I could do forever. If we only had the time. If we could live forever, how long would you be mine? 'Cause I could do forever. If we only had the time.
So we are now at the point where we, even with the motorcycles, need to think about where we are going. Everything's wet. We have clay here, 20-30 centimeters high. And there's a small little lake here. Just wing it or barefoot. And now it's Ela's turn. Wow. And the funny thing is we have to do exactly the same thing over 10 meters further away.
How long would you be mine? 'Cause I could do forever. If we only had the time. 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 If we only had the time.
Welcome to another day. We are preparing breakfast and slept here underneath the pavilion. And yeah, the night was quite loud, a lot of trucks. Then a truck driver came and slept here with us and left at 3 o'clock. Then they started to clean up this area at 5 o'clock with loud music. So it's a tough experience overall here, this road from Georgetown to Lethem. Yeah. In the night we also had heavy rainfalls, 3 times really heavy, and it came down hard. So I think the road will be perfectly in a perfect condition. Yeah, let's hit the road.
If we could live forever, how long would you be mine? 'Cause I could do forever. If we